Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get the Unleashed Firmware for your flipperzero, as well as the Marauder Firmware for your Wi-Fi developer board. So I got the firmware from GitHub, as you can see from this site, and I choose for myself to use that one. So you basically just download it, and I use the qFlipper app for that. So I just choose install from file and choose my downloaded firmware. Then you click install, and as you can see, it's now uploading the firmware and updating it, and after that you have the official Unleashed software on your Flipper device. Also make sure that your cable is connected to the Flipper and do not move it while it's uploading or updating, because that might lead to errors. Okay, so while it updates my Flipper, I just wanted to say that I put all firmwares and downloads in the description, so you can download it yourself, as well as the sources for you. Okay, so as you can see, the firmware update is succeed, and now we switch to our Wi-Fi board. So we unplug our Flipper device and plug in our Wi-Fi module. Also make sure to press the boot button while connecting it, otherwise it won't work. So now we need the installer here, and you just press or just open the flash file like that and choose flash Marauder no SD mod to dev board. So I just press 1 and hit enter, and now it's updating. If any errors appear for you like here, just ignore it, it will work completely fine. So as you can see, the update is done and you can close the window now. And now you're basically ready to go. You just unplug your developer board and you can now plug it in your Flipper. And now we can actually test if it's working. Here's our app that we use. You just click it and now you can scan, for example. And as you can see, everything works fine. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss other videos like that. And also, if you have any questions or ideas, leave it in the comments, and have a great day. Bye.